And we have this inert in our fitrah to, at some stage in our life, make this journey, this sacrifice, to go to the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We don't worship the Kaaba, it is a structure, but this is something that is within us. We are drawn towards the Kaaba. We are drawn towards the center of the earth. It is very much like the navel of the mother. And I say it's very much like the navel of the mother because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah 6, ayah 92 says, Ummul Qura, the mother of the towns, meaning it is the center of the earth. And the reason why it's known